Hi guys, my name is Raisen and welcome to my channel. So if you are thinking of buying slip-ons for yourself to go in the market, or if you just want to wear them while you are going for a walk, then guys, in this video I'm going to review these slip-ons which I have with me here. I've been wearing them for a while now. I have tested them for a while and now I can give you guys an honest review. Guys, I have not washed these shoes, that's why they will look slightly dirty. But guys, if you want an honest review, then you will have to look at these shoes as they are, because I've been wearing them for around a year now. So first we'll see the material of the shoes, then we'll see if they are comfortable while wearing. After that we'll see how they look when we wear them, and then I'll give you guys my final verdict if it is okay to buy these shoes or to stay away from them. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Okay guys, welcome back, and I will be very quick here. So guys, I've been wearing these shoes for a while now. I've already told you that. So first thing that we will do here is we will see the material of the shoes, we'll see the build of the shoes, we'll see the insoles and all that stuff. So come close and let's have a look at the shoe first. So as you guys can see, Sparx is written here and the brand logo is right here. And if you look at the material closely guys, then it is kind of a spongy material. If you press it like this, you can make out there is some kind of sponge inside of this, and it's like a breathable material. Then if you look on the side here, you will see that there is an elastic which expands like this. Now this helps when you're putting your feet inside the shoe guys, and because this is there, you can easily slide in your feet. Now if you look at the outer sole, then you can see lines right here, and if you look underneath, then they have this design on their outer sole. Now the sole is very spongy guys, believe me, and it absorbs the shock very nicely. And now comes the best part guys, the insole, because inside they have this HD memory cushion which is very soft, and when you're sliding your feet inside even without socks, it will allow you to slide in nicely, and it gives your feet very nice cushioning guys. First I thought that the sweat from my feet will destroy the insole, but till today guys, I can easily slide in my feet and it still gives me nice cushioning. So there you have it guys, you saw the shoes, how they look like. You have checked the material of the shoes, you have checked the insoles, the outer part of the shoes, everything you have checked. Now guys, let's see how they look when we wear them. So I will go outside and I will wear them on 2 or 3 outfits, and let's see how they look. Okay guys, now it's time for the final verdict. What do you think about it guys? Now since I'm wearing these shoes for a while, let me tell you, they are very comfortable. The inside cushioning of the shoes is excellent guys, and you can wear these shoes all day long. The shoes look okay to me, they are not that bad, but they don't look that extraordinary as well. One more thing I like about these shoes is they are very easy to wear and take off. First I thought it would be a problem, but they are very easy to wear and take off guys. And lastly guys, yes, they are durable, because I've been wearing them for a while now and they are still looking good, as you guys saw it already. I will put a link of them on the screen here or in the description. You can go there and check them out by yourself, see if you are getting your size, and if you are getting a good deal on Myntra, then go for it guys. Now the online prices fluctuate a lot, you guys know that, but when you are getting a good deal guys, see that you go for it. And guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen signing out. Until we meet again.